Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Brother DCP-195C printer, and now I can show you how to set up your copy on this device. So if you want to create a copy, you just need to click on copy button, scan button, but if you want to set up it, you need to open menu, then here you will see copy, click OK, and here as you can see we can set up paper type, for example plain paper, inkjet paper, browser BP71, I don't know what it is, other glossy, transparency, plain paper. So okay, so for example plain paper. Next step is choose the paper size. So here choose A5 or A4, later legal A4. I will use A4. Quality, of course, normal quality, fast quality, or best quality. So I will use best quality. And great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.